Is your laptop battery is weak, and can't able to work without charging your laptop? Then you launched to the correct video. Hey, this is Techno Hints. Today in this video I am going to show you how to increase your battery performance in easy way. Before going to this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For each like you will get one blessing. Come, let's go to the video. In this step we are going to lower your brightness to improve your battery performance. And this step will also protect your eyes. Open your display settings by simply right-clicking your desktop. Now go to HDR option, then turn it off. And set battery option for better battery life. Now go to personalize settings. Set your Windows theme to dark mode. This thing will really improve your battery life by reducing more white light. And turn off the background transparency. Now in this step we are going to turn off all background apps. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Now go to Startup, and disable the unwanted things that you don't need. This thing will really help you to improve your battery life and system performance. These settings may not be available on every laptop. If it's not there in your laptop, you can skip to next step. Now open your laptop's manufacturer's software. Set it to battery mode. Now go to power settings and turn on conservation mode. This setting will increase your battery life by limiting the charging of your laptop. Keep your Windows up to date. It will update your drivers and your OS. By updating your Windows, your PC will become smoother and will get better battery performance. Now in this step we are going to lower the refresh rate of your display. This step will reduce half of the display power consumption. Set your refresh rate to low as possible. My laptop doesn't have the feature to change the refresh rate, and some laptops may not have this feature. And then turn off your Windows Xbox game bar. Instead of using hard disk, use SSD, because your hard disk will consume more power supply when compared to SSD. And upgrading to SSD will improve more performance, and perform all tasks quickly. SSD is expensive when compared to hard disk, but it is very useful and efficient to perform a certain task. I will recommend you to plug in your laptop while gaming or doing any other heavy works in your laptop. If you do any heavy task in your laptop without charging, it will be reducing your battery's life, so I always recommend you to plug and use laptop while doing big tasks. Finally, we came to the end of the video. We learned many things to improve your laptop's battery performance in simple way. If there is any doubts, comment below in comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. Then don't miss any other video from our channel. So see you soon in the next video. Stay tuned, stay safe, bye bye.
Lit. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party, roll up to the